guys, Gracie here, and today I'm just gonna shout out to my best friend Shannon. Her cat went missing, and I'm really sorry. When I heard about that, I started crying my eyes out. I am so very sorry, Shannon. And I was going to show you what I was going to wear today, guys. So I'm going to wear this gray and white shirt. Let me just go try it. Okay. So this gray and white shirt, I was going to put a ponytail in my hair. But then I decided to just do it like this because why not? And then these pants with like the flowers on them. That's what I thought. That was really cute. And so then I was like, where up, Grace? And so that's all I have for you guys, I think. Actually, I don't. Me and my sister, we got new cases. I will have to because we have iPod Touch 4s, and, well, we got the same, so, and I am also recording on my iPod, so I can't show you guys mine, but they're the same. So here, the front, the flowers, the back, the little apple on it. We have iPod Touches 4s, and then that. So, I am in my big sister's room right now. I do not have that pink bed. I have a purple bed. I'm the only one in the family that has a purple bed. Anywho, I need to go get something. So now I am going to do a comedy act. Hi, my name is, I don't exactly know what my name is. Hey guys, could you please put that down in the comments below? Please, I need to know what my name is. Or just make up a name. I'm fine with that. I am the majestic wolf. And I am so soft. Pets me. Oh, so comfy. I want to have a ride on you. So guys, here's my giraffe and here's my wolf. They're one of my favorite animals. I just love to sleep with them. And so that's all I have for you guys today. Please comment, like, and subscribe. It really supports my channel. I will see you all next time.